bienvenue, I'm Bag Passionate, and today I'm going to reveal you the part 2 of my birthday haul. Hi! So today let's discover the gift I have made to myself for my birthday, and it is... So you all recognize, oops, it's a bag from Longchamp, and guess which bag I got? Do you have any clue? Well, let's unbox it together right now because I really want to present you this bag. I hope you can hear me well because I'm not wearing my microphone as I am filming in my bedroom, and it's easier for me to not have it, so I hope you hear me well. Please tell me in the comment below if the sound is correct. So I got myself, look at the color, I got myself the Longchamp Roseau top handle bag in size S. In the color, in French it is called Chardon. In English, I will write it because I'm sorry guys, I do not know how to pronounce the name. It's the new blue they proposed for the Roseau collection, for the Roseau line. And this color is just stunning, really, really stunning. Oh, I put this there. So I got the size S because I think it's perfect for my size, and we will see together that it fits perfectly all my essential, and I'll give you a little sneak peek. So the leather is cowhide leather, and this time they change a little bit. I mean, it is really thicker and more grain than the previous one I got, and it's really nice touch, really resistant. So you open with the Roseau symbol. You got on the side the push button on both sides, and inside, look how it is. Yes, it's better like this. And inside you got one main compartment, so okay, you got a longer strap to hold it on your shoulder or crossbody. And look inside, it is velvet, split velvet leather, really nice and soft touch. You got a pocket, and it is really brilliant because the pocket is stitched like this, so you can fit things here and you can fit things inside the zip pocket. You can see it. You got the jacquard ribbon inside. Yes, it's really nice. And you got little items I really love to have in my bags. This strap with a hook, and it's really practical. And look at this. I love the little horse here and the detail. You can see it. It's really shiny, and yes, it's silver hardware, like you know I love it. And yes, it's really, really nice. And they bring the detail. Look, there's a symbol of Longchamp, really cute. I really love that. It's really, really nice. It's not heavy at all. And I'll make a tour. And on the bottom, it's like this. Look at the stitch, the leather. It's really well made. Really, really nice. I really love it. So the dimension of a small size is 8.7 inches here, 7.1 here, and 4.3 here. I will put in centimeter, I will write. And so if you take the strap and look how gorgeous it is. Look, so shiny and really cute. It's removable, but it's not adjustable. It's just a piece of leather, like this. You see, just a piece of leather. So removable, but not adjustable. So let's fix it together. So on your shoulder, I'm 1.60 m, so I can even wear it like this, but I can also wear it like this. It's for me it's really comfortable. It's just here and it's perfect. But I will be honest with you, I'm a top handle person, so I know I will more hold it like this all day or like this because I'm just a top handle girl, and so I will let like this. I will show you what you can fit now. So I will now show you what I can fit inside. So this morning I use my Soleil bag and I will transfer my item to this bag. So the first thing that you can easily put on this bag, and now with summer here in south of France, is really important to have one with you. It's a tiny bottle of water. So I can put my bottle of water with no problem. Then I got my wallet and my card holder, and look, the colors are really gorgeous. This is Lagoon. This is Lagoon color by Longchamp, and this is Chardon by Longchamp. So you can see it's two different shades of blue, but the two are really, really cute. My mint, this, oh, and I also got, now I can put my notebook. This one is from Hermes. My phone, and also this card holder because I will need it this afternoon. And this is so another shade of blue. This is Bleu du Nord and Chardon. And I close the bag without problem. Everything fits perfectly, and I also have a possibility to add sunnies without problem. This size is called small, but I can really tell you, you can fit a bunch of things. I nearly forgot. I will also add this tiny pouch with pen and my keys. This is navy color by Longchamp, another blue, just to show you. And this one, thanks to the D-ring, I can easily secure it in my bag, and I put my keys and my pen here without any problem. Ready for the day. So the bag cost here in France 340 euro, and I see in America it costs 440 $45, sorry, $445. And at the moment on the Longchamp US website, it is on sale and it retails now for $312. So guys, if you want a bag which can be perfect for the day and also perfect for the night because it's so easy to take it. If you do not want to take your notebooks or so, you put just a scarf or a pullover for the night and you're ready to go to dinner or to see your friends. And yes, and thanks to the new leather, I made closer, look, like le foulonné. It is not the same leather than the foulonné. It's another type, more structured, but so thick. Look at this, so thick. And yes, really nice, good quality. And yeah, I'm really in love with this. I'm really, really in love. And you know how much I love the Roseau line. In fact, I love Roseau, Foulonné, and Le Pliage line by Longchamp. But this one is really, really cute. So when I saw it, I really thought about my birthday. And yeah, so happy to have my hands on it. So if you already have this bag or you intend to buy and you have more questions, please do not hesitate to comment below. I will be more than happy to help you. If you like this video, please do not hesitate to give a thumbs up. And yes, subscribe to my channel. I already thanks all subbies here. We are really lovely. I'm so happy to talk with you, to write with you because we write. But it's a real pleasure to discuss with you. Comment if you are satisfied with this bag or you want to wait for the new collection because there's already some new models which appears for the fall-winter collection. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Merci d'avoir regardé. Je vous souhaite une très bonne journée. À bientôt. Bye guys.